Uqalile lo mama ngalesilungisa sakhe sabo this one.
No! It's not the time to come to class, this one.
Teacher, maar it's not my fault. Lo baba lo driver my train beka late vandag.
Ama-trainani uhlala next door.
Indaba ngisonga kahle mem. Ngithe inja yami igunya isikhiya segate.
Hey, foothag man, hamba hlala phansi. Okay, class. Today, we have a new student in our class. New student, come introduce yourself. Shut up, man. Introduce yourself, mfanam. Hello, class. My name is Matala Petri. I'm 7 years old. I am a boy. When I grow up, I had to be a scientist.
Hey teacher,
Ufunani manje wena?
ngicela ukubuza something.
Alright, sheshisa.
Lo baba lo ufuna ukuthini makathi when I grow up?
Uthi makakhula man.
Nifuna isilungu niyekela ukusibhala manga mem. Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi awuyiboni lento lesiyibonayo. Yini yona leyo? Vele mem ufuna ngisho. Khuluma mani wena uyekela ungidina. Wena mem. Awukho right wena. Ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi awusiboni wena le stadium lezi, ye? Ukhuza lama last mfana wami. Ukhuza lama last. Amara mem. Now expecta ukuthi sithula ubhizi usifake eklasini eyi-1 nabo Barnabas. Ubani uBarnabas manje? Lo baba lo wempandla leyo kule ithombe leza bomsetho.
And no, kwenzakalani manje? Be clever.
Emato jalawani mowe, jalawani.
Ubize wani uBarnabas? Matala Petri. In the flesh.